Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. AFCON 2025. I've really enjoyed the matches, the women's quarterfinal, quality matches. But one thing I've realized about most of these teams is they don't have scripted plays or scripted movements. They just rely on individual brilliance. Egypt, especially Egypt, they rely mostly on scripted. They rely mostly on individual play, individual brilliance. But what I'm going to show you is what I always say with him. When you concede via a set piece, whether it's a free kick or it's a corner kick, you look before with okay, what happened? Can we avoid free kicks, set pieces, corner, things like that? Can those things be avoidable? The two goals that happened yesterday, one Egypt and one Ivory Coast or Cote d'Ivoire, they could have avoided those goals. Let me show you. And another thing that I always say, Uguti, don't do a mistake I3 Alan Lanal. And that's what Cote d'Ivoire did. Now let's play. Ball goes to the left back. This guy here, there's no need for you to uzela. Ungayenzi run ube ngathi uzala, then you make a run forward. The left back delays with the ball. Should have passed the ball there. He doesn't pass the ball. Sekafuna ukushaya isithende. That's the first mistake that they did. The throw-in was avoidable. They could have avoided the throw-in. Now watch again, foot. How to defend a throw-in. This is the left winger. This is the right back. This guy is supposed to stand in front of this guy here, so that ibola bangaliphoseli phambili, mabaliphosele move, and then we can defend kanjalo. But why was he standing here? Why was he standing here? They play the ball here. Now watch. Boom. Balkhahlela phambili. And then corner kick. So two situations where ibola we could have done things correctly. Even nale corner kick. Why angahedanga for a throw in? Let me take it back. He could have headed the ball for a throw in. Or albuyisele phakathi ball. Throw in or pass la or albuyisele le. Maybe was passing the keeper, but now it's a corner kick. It's a corner kick. We are under pressure, unnecessary. There's no need for us to concede a corner kick, but we end up conceding the corner kick. Goal. In these type of games, you have to avoid izinto ey'ncane that will put you under pressure, because there's quality. You have quality players. Now they have quality players to just score out of nothing. Here is another unnecessary free kick. It ends up being a goal because you don't recognize Uguti. There's no danger here. There's no need for you to do this. You have to be smart. Simvalele lo muntu lo, it's 2 against 1. Then you are giving him a leeway. There was no need for this thing. There was no need. Lo muntu lo usekhoneni it's two against 1 or 1 against 2, then it's a free kick, unnecessary free kick. Iscore is 2-0. We are cruising nicely. Baze bayithandazele le free kick. Man, unnecessary things. Let me take it back. Cross, goal. Both these goals are a set piece. One was a corner kick, one was a free kick. But those two, they could have been avoided. High quality games, you must avoid izinto unnecessary. You need to recognize that we are in a danger zone. As clearly ball, you do simple things, Buffett. Simple things in Buffett. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Thank you for watching, Buffett. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. Nyabonga.